If I was to ask you what food comes to mind when I mention New England, there's a pretty good chance that you might say Boston baked beans, blueberry pie, or fresh caught lobster. But after doing a bit of digging, I found out that one recipe New Englanders are very passionate about is the Fluffernutter. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with this mashup of peanut butter and marshmallow cream, let me show you our take on this classic sandwich. To begin with, we spread a layer of peanut butter on thick-cut egg bread. Then, on another slice, we smear on a layer of marshmallow cream. Now, marshmallow cream is basically a spreadable marshmallow that was invented in New England. After you put the two pieces together, you've got a basic Fluffernutter. Now, you could eat this as is, but to make it even more amazing, we like to butter each side and cook it like a grilled cheese. When it's nice and toasty and the peanut butter and fluff melt together, get ready for one of the world's most addictive treats. To try this for yourself, go to our website and get the recipe for what we call our grilled PB&M. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a sweet and fluffy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.